Hi friends, it's Maya. Welcome to another video, my friends. And in this video, again, we're taste testing Hellofresh meals. Here we go. So my friends, we're taste testing this one. And this is the big sun-dried tomato pesto penne ricotta with garlic bread and balsamic roasted tomatoes. This is what it looks like. And this is what ours look like. Now, my friends, it was so delicious that I started to eat it, and I forgot that I needed to do this with you. I think it looks the same as this one. Beautiful, and look at the bread. Oh my goodness. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, we're going to taste this and let you know how it tastes. And so, don't forget, we're tasting HelloFresh meals. Mmm. Very yummy. What do you think? You like it?
It was very good.
Mmm.
It's very creamy, very tasty.
Very creamy, very tasty. It's cheesy.
Mm-hmm.
And
there's two different types of cheese.
There's a sweetness on it. What is the sweetness?
The balsamic glaze.
Oh, this is yummy, guys. I really, really like it. And of course, the garlic bread.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. Mmm. So this one is a hit. How long did it take you to make?
This one took me about, I would say maybe 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think it's well done. Well done. Really, really tasty. Sorry, guys. I have food in my mouth. So if you're ordering meals from HelloFresh, I'm going to suggest that you get this one. It's sun-dried tomato pesto penne and ricotta. Really, really delicious. Nice blend of flavor in this one, my friends. You're going to love it. And there's a sweetness at the top. And this is pure veggie that's in here.
Yeah, this is just a straight veggie meal. It's a vegetarian meal.
Awesome.
And
absolutely delicious. Okay, so wait for number 2 tomorrow. Here we go. Okay, my friends, this is day 2. This is chicken, a crispy chicken schnitzel. And this is how it looks on their poster. And this is how ours look. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It does not look the same, my friends. Oh my goodness. You would think so. Let's try this baby and see how it tastes.
It look presentable, Nabi. I want back. I just lended it to you.
Oh God. Okay, try it and let me know.
Tastes good.
The chicken was well seasoned. This is really delicious. And then carrots. How long did it take? Well seasoned. And of course it has some potatoes and some carrots. Really nice. What's the white sauce?
Tzatziki.
Tzatziki sauce. So it's with garlic roasted potatoes and buttery carrots. Really good. Did it take 30 minutes?
With the lounging and playing around, it would have taken 30 minutes.
This is really tasty, my friends. It's full of flavor. I love it. Easy breezy. So this is another hit. Definitely. When you're ordering from HelloFresh, be sure to get this one. Crispy chicken
Schnitzel.
This is meal 3 Salisbury steak meatballs with mushroom gravy, peas and smashed potatoes. This is what it looks like. This is what mine look like. I think they look good. Yum, yum, yum. Lots of mushrooms in there. And here's mine. Lots of mushrooms in mine. Okay. And I happen to get some lunch out of it, my friends. That's my lunch for tomorrow. And I'm going to try this one. It looks good. What do you think?
That tastes good.
It's not bad. I don't know if this one is my favorite at all. Yeah, I don't know what it is. What do you think is off? What do you think?
I don't like the Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah, there's something that I don't like about this one. So maybe this is not. Yeah.
What did you think about this one? We were just talking. It's not bad. I wish that I'll put a little bit more salt in the sauce. Yeah, but because it was so much salt. I know what you're saying, but the sauce it reminds me of remember the other one? The stew that we did? Oh, yeah. So it feels like it should be like that sort of sauce. Overall, I'm actually enjoying it. I like the mushrooms.
Yeah? I'm not, it's not my favorite.
It's definitely not my favorite.
Something is off. Like,
exactly. Yeah, I won't pick it again, but I'll enjoy it while I have it.
Yeah, you're right. I won't pick it again, but I guess that's what you get, right? Some winners, some losers, right?
Yeah, but to be fair, you've only gotten like 2 losers.
Yeah.
And they're still edible.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. And this was what, 35 minutes? Yeah. Probably not my favorite, my friends. So, if you have tried this, let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the next one, okay? Here we go. Okay, my friends, I got another one. This is, I think, the 4th one. And this is cheesy chicken Milanese with crisp apple salad. This is what it looks like. This is what theirs look like. And this is what mine's look like. Doesn't it look the same, my friends? Okay. And this is a 35 minutes meal. There it goes, 35 minutes meal. Beautiful. It looks pretty good. Looks like it's fast and easy. Oh, nice chicken, nice cheese on top. Nice apple salad. Delicious, delicious. How does it taste?
I love it.
This is really good. Really good. Chicken has lots of flavor. What dressing is on this salad?
It's Dijon vinegar and sugar.
Dijon vinegar and sugar is on the salad. It's very light and tasty. But this is another great one to get, my friends. Cheesy chicken Milanese. It's a hit. So, my friends, this is day 5, and this is Reuben inspired burger with potato wedges and secret sauce. What is the secret sauce? This is what theirs look like. This is what mine look like. And this is what mine look like. Ooh, that looks delicious. Alright. Very, very nice. It has like a cabbage mixture on top. Looks really, really nice. And I think we've had this before. No? We haven't had this before. No, it's when, how long have we been doing Hellofresh? Over a month?
Yeah.
We've been doing Hellofresh for over a month now. And I don't think we have ever gotten the same thing twice. So I think their meals rotate every couple of weeks. So this one, I like extra pickles on my burger. I'm gonna try it. good. I find that you really can't go wrong with burgers, right? And this is on a Friday, so burgers and fries on a Friday. It's wonderful. And it's really tasty, my friends. So this is Ruben Inspired Burger. Try and get this one. Thank you for watching, my friends. Let's go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better.